I'm in Boracay for a holiday. And this is my outfit for today. So I'm with my sissy. Show your outfit. And Mama, show your outfit. Ang sexy. Like, masabihin mo, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Ulit. Sabihin mo, Ma. Like and
subscribe.
like and subscribe. Thumbs up. Bye, guys. See you later. We're going out for parasailing. Hi, guys. We check-in in Hanan.
Baliktad na. Oh. Saan daw tayo
Wait lang, ground floor.
Ano ba yan? Ang daming fail.
Nauna yung vlog. We check-in in Hanan. Oh, guys, we should walk here. We'll show you the swimming pool area. Because Hanan is a famous resort with very nice beach. A very nice swimming pool. This is the ano bang tawag sa kasi? Ano ko na ito pa. We're going out for sunset parasailing. Let's go, guys. And then tomorrow swim kami. Ikaw doon. Say hello.
Hi. Hi ka na.
Hello. Our momshi, ang sexy ng momshi ko, mas sexy pa sa akin.
Siya yung pinakadalagin din.
Dalagin din. Hi guys! We're off for parasailing. Ma! Oh my gosh, wala akong makita. Ma, mag-hi ka. Saan yun? Dapat yun ang dumala. Hindi pa ako nakapag-picture. Sabi mo, apa kuya? Hindi kami mabangbat. Pinaka-atras mo sa... We're going out for dinner. And this is our food check. The bottom to top. Let's go. I'm so hungry. I'm starving. It's dinner time, guys. Let's go. We're checking some buffet. We'll eat in Hanan Regents. Let's go. Let's eat. It's our second day here in Boracay, and we're going out for island hopping. I'm with my mom and my sister. And yeah, see you later. And sa breakfast, bawal lang naka-swimsuit. Kaya nagpants muna si mama. This is the breakfast. Merong bread area. So, different sections. May Filipino, it's international. Ate, magkano her braid?
Ayun naman.
Hindi, sabihin mo sa kanila yung
Okay.
price mo.
Yung price namin, pag one size, 200 siya. Buko pa lang yun. Tapos, pag gusto nyo magpalagay ng kulay, additional lang tayo 50 per length.
Itong thread na to, yan yung mga kulay. 50 pesos. Ayan, ang galing ni ate. Ang bilis ng kamay ni ate, oh. Naka-braid siya ate na inaano mo? Ay,
Pinapalabas
talaga?
lang namin yung kulay.
Ayan, tapos binabasa ni ate ng tubig.
Para yung bibigyan mo sa
Kailangan pag nagpunta kayo dito sa Boracay, uwi kayo naka-hair braid. Kasi pag di kayo naka-hair braid, hindi kayo galing ng Boracay. Ay, hindi yung kapatid ko. Ayan, papa-hair braid siya. Si mama din. Ganito rin ma. O, pag-gets din yung nanay. Dan guys. Oh. Mine is white and parang green. Light green. Upload ko sa vlog sa YouTube. Go! Ito si Kuya. Pangalan mo ulit Kuya? Kirby.
Kirby.
Ito si Kuya Kirby dito sa Boracay. Tour guide siya. Kuya, magkano ang island hopping?
Island hopping by group,
O by group?
700 lang po.
700.
Sama na yung lunch dyan.
Tapos kami, in-avail namin is private. Magkano ang private, Kuya?
Ginawa ko lang ng 4,500 kasi humingi kayo ng discount. Ang
Pero yung
kukulit
regular
nyo,
price, yung regular price, Kuya, magkano? Magkano yung regular price?
yung ano talaga, yung public rate talaga ng island hopping. About private boat is 4,800.
And then sa private group, guys, kasama na yung lunch, then may free si Kuya na snorkel. Pero yung fins babayaran ko kasi nahiya na ako kay Kuya.
Daming tawad na.
Kuya, phone number mo, bigay mo sa kanila.
Sige, no problem. Yung phone number ko, 0995-311-6757.
Ayan, hanapin niyo si Kuya.
Kita-kits tayo dito sa Boracay.
Maraming discount yan.
Timol Epic. Dito
Kuya,
lang ako.
dapat English. Kasi yung viewers ko international, dapat English.
Yung English ko, ma'am.
Okay lang, a little bit, it's okay. Take 2. Kaya processing. Okay, go.
Yes or no? Welcome to Boracay Island.
Yeah, he's a tour guide here in Boracay, guys. If you want, you can contact him. I will put his details in the description box below. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys. Alright, BTS, guys. Behind the scene. Si Mama for the pictorial. Matingin doon sa kabila. Dapat yung shades. Lagay. O, diba? Ito si Kuya photographer namin. Ang galing niya mag-picture, mag-video. Okay, cue mo yan, girl. Director Frances. Ayan, dinedirect niya si Mama. Oopsie. Tahimik, guys. And then this side naman, may gumagawa ng mga sandcastle. Ay, wala pa. Tapos ilalagay nila dyan, I love Boracay and then date. Shout out, hi Kuya! Magkano pag nagpa-picture? 20 per head. Ayan. Anong oras siya matatapos, Kuya? Ay, mga 12 o mamayang gabi na. Ayan, papapicture kayo dyan sa mga sandcastle ng Meron na po, meron na. Thank you, Kuya. Hindi pa rin sila tapos mag-pictorial, guys. Pak na pak ang nanay ko. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Kailangan ilista yung mga pangalan. Ayan. Dito, Francis, oh. Ito yung duck. Sobrang organized na siya compare nung mga year 2015, 2016 na nandito ako. Oo. May mga ganito na rin siya. Mag-island hopping kami, guys, and we rented private tour kasi kapag ka nag-avail kami ng group tour is nasa 20 bucks, and then syempre parang mas maganda pa rin talaga kapag private tour. Hawak namin yung oras namin, and at least kami tatlo lang, and tatlo lang kami mag-island hopping, and meron kami dalawang kasama. Say hello to the vlog ko na easy ito yung dating resort ni Manny Pacquiao, the famous boxer, world champion boxer in the world. Alright, that one. Pero ngayon close na siya. And then this is Balinghay Beach. We're going here. First stop of our island hopping. Hello! Like and subscribe! Okay. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, guys. This is the Balinsayan, guys. Tatalon ka? Teka lang, mababaw pa yan. Baka maano ka dyan. Bye-bye! Ayan na! Yeah! We have to put some sunblock. Of course! We have to take care of our skin, guys. Like this. Okay lang mangitim, huwag lang masunog kasi mahapde. So, this is it. Kailangan buong part, lahat ng exposed sa skin, kailangan natin lagyan ng sunblock. Ayan. Lagyan natin abs. Just kidding. Bye-bye. Joke lang yun. Guys, we're going to Crystal Kayak. Mag-tutorial kami. And I wear yellow para shining shimmering tayo sa camera. And para magmukhang vibrant.
Yan, ma'am.
Check natin. I'm going to the gym because ilang araw na akong kumakain sa buffet. So, it's time to burn those foods. Ayan. See you at the gym, guys. na ako mag-gym and kakain na ako. Kaya ako nag-gym talaga para makakain ako ng marami. Feeling bloated na rin kasi ako. Ilang araw na kami kumakain ng buffet. Sarap magpapaabos. Sobrang tan na ng skin ko. Hey guys, I'm eating breakfast and this is the view. I also have bread. It's for breakfast. Kumain ako ng rice kanina. So, try ko lang. Marami akong nag-list na food. So, Filipino food ko and try ko lang. Some mango juice. Last day in Boracay and later flight namin pabalik ng Manila ng around 8 p.m. So, medyo malunok yung dagat ngayon. Pero okay lang. Pero patapos naman natin. That is, I ordered signature cocktails. Kuya, dapat ganito rin yung itsura. Kuya, dapat ganito rin yung itsura. Ganito din.
Ganyan naman, pero wala po siyang sa taas kasi wala kami available na.
Ay, walang halaman. Ay, gala ko.
Kaya ano lang.
Check out time, guys. So, kalat ng room. Check out time. This is our outfit. Uwi na kami. Twinning.
One more.
Twinning.
One more.
Ano? Twinning. Twinning pala.
One. Dali.
Selfie. Mama, pakita mo outfit mo. Kita ang outfit. Hindi ko pala napakita yung room namin. This is the balcony. And then, ayan, may swimming pool dito. Pwedeng mag-lap. So, ang ganda. Ayan, swimming pool dyan. Tapos, sa likod dito ang building. May, same lang nito. Meron din ganito. Parang lap pool siya. And then, yun yung pool, parang pool bar nila. Pool sky bar, something like that. And then, meron din bar doon. Then, doon sa beach na yun. So, it's like 2 minutes walk. Nasa beachfront ka na. So, yan. It's nice. Thank you so much, guys, for checking out. Hope you enjoyed this video. And, yeah, I just want to see, or I just want to show you the beauty of Boracay, of Philippines. Philippines is beautiful. You can comment down below if you have any questions, suggestions, or anything you want to say. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. So, this is my luggage. And just... Huwag na akong iwan. Girl. Ang cute ng mga hair. Parang ayoko na siyang tanggalin. Forever na yan. Guys, babalik ko muna yung towel na hiniram ko kay Kuya.
Sorry na, no?
Apo. 3. Kaya, say hello, Kuya. Like and subscribe. Kuya, 3 yun. Charis lang. Bye-bye, Kuya. Guys, mag-check out na tayo. It's our last day na dito. Parang ayoko na umuwi kasi nag-enjoy kami.